Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification button to get all my video every week. I want to use this moment to thank all my subscribers and all my supporters. I want to let you guys know that I truly appreciate your support. Thank you guys so much for following up and for following me every week. I'm truly grateful. I love you guys. Continue to have fun. Continue to take care of yourself and keep safe. And I hope to see you again soon in my next video. Take care of yourself for now. In this video, we are going to be using 5 cups of rice, onions, bell pepper, bouillon, curry, and oil. So let's get started.